is the 740-ton ammonium nitrate stored in Chennai a cause of concern? Just days after large quantities of ammonium nitrate caused a catastrophe in Beirut, Lebanon, killing 135 persons and injuring 5,000 people so far, concerns have been raised about the chemicals stored here in Chennai. Nearly 740 tons of ammonium nitrate is stored in the premises of Tatva Container Freight Station in Ponneri High Road, Manali. This is about 20 kilometers from the Chennai city centre. Customs officials said that this large consignment was seized at the Chennai port from Sri Amman Chemicals, Karur, and this happened around September 2015, and since then it has been in the premises. It is stored in 25 kilograms of polypropylene bags.
The Deputy Chief General of Explosives has made a preliminary inspection and will make further inspections also to assess the safety of the materials kept here. Take immediate safety measures till the disposal of the stock. And for disposal also, customs officials are taking immediate measures.
The Customs Department issued a notice on 6th August stating that there are no residential localities within a 2-kilometer radius of the premises. However, an inspection conducted by the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board or TNPCB on the same day contradicted these claims. It stated that Manali New Town, which is just 700 meters away, has a population of about 7,000 people, and Sadiyankuppam village, 1.5 kilometers away, has a population of 5,000 people. Now this is within the 2-kilometer radius of the premises. CEO of Syntec, a company that specializes in simulation software for training persons in industrial plants, said that the risk of storing this chemical in large quantities can be minimized.
Ammonium nitrate should be normally stored in a single storage building, well ventilated. It should be constructed with materials which will not burn, like concrete, brick, steel. It should not be a wooden kind of structure. It is better to store in a open yard or somewhere like that, and protected by for rain and sunlight.
Ammonium nitrate is a crystal-like solid substance which is produced in large industrial quantities. It's used in fertilizers and explosives, for mining and so on. Its synthetic acid is made by reacting ammonia with nitric acid, and ammonium nitrate by itself is relatively safe to handle.
If you contain that in a small area, it increases pressure inside, and finally, if the container cannot hold that pressure, it will explode. An explosive means that there is a fast chemical reaction releasing some gases. One is a chemical reaction which releases some gas called nitrous oxide. And that temperature is fairly low, around 300 degrees. A slightly higher temperature, it releases nitrogen and oxygen and some water. So this is called the thermal decomposition reaction. There is a possibility of any local increase in temperature. It can even be a cigarette, because the temperature can go above the temperature, required for this reaction. Lacks of appropriate protection, there is a possibility that explosion can happen.
Risk of explosion increases by heating, comes in contact with fire or contamination, or if it is confined in a very narrow area, gas pipeline, electrical short circuit, it can lead to fire.
The massive explosions in Beirut, Lebanon showed that the impact of the blast was felt as far as 240 kilometers away. Natraj, a former DGP and currently the MLA of Mylapore, stated that it does pose a huge risk considering that Manali has a number of chemical industries as well. This seems to be a bad year. Suomoto security audit has to be done. Manali is full of chemical industries, so it is not just this one chemical. Security audit and social audit should be done. Need to do evacuation drills. Ultimately, a short circuit can spark a whole tragedy. The TNPCB has recommended that the District Industrial Safety and Health Guindy inspect the premises and more security personnel be engaged to safeguard the area till the clearance of the chemical. DMK MP Kanimuri called for action on a war footing, and PMK Chief Dr. Ramadas suggested that it could be used for other purposes like composting. The customs officials have denied any delay in disposal and said that an e-auction has already been conducted and safe disposal of the cargo will be done following safety protocols. The TNPCB report too confirmed that the process will be completed in 3 days.